This video I will walk you through how to change wallpaper on Snapchat. The first thing you do is you choose the contact or the chat you want to change its wallpaper. Then you tap on the person's name at the top. You scroll down, you see wallpaper, tap on wallpaper, and you can see the current one. You can delete it up here, and then you can also just simply ask it to generate from prompts or camera roll or saved in chats, or you can pick from the options given to you. Some are locked, so you pick from the ones that are not locked. And once you've picked, you can decide to blur it by tapping on this option here, or not. Tap on confirm. So now if you go back to the chat, you can see you have changed the wallpaper.